What I wish I knew before this storm hit BC. Welcome to Trendlands Daily. The devastation is real. On Saturday, a powerful windstorm swept through British Columbia, leaving 160,000 residents without power and causing widespread coastal flooding. The storm hammered Vancouver Island, the Gulf Islands, and the Lower Mainland, disrupting transportation and damaging infrastructure. In the capital region, heavy winds and storm surges led to flooding and debris along the coastline. Residents in Sydney and Oak Bay woke up to dramatic scenes of waves crashing over walkways and streets submerged in water. BC Hydro reported over 280,000 customers were affected at the peak of the storm, with crews working tirelessly to restore power. Residents are urged to stay safe and report downed power lines immediately. BC ferries also faced major disruptions, canceling numerous sailings due to the storm. Wind gusts reached up to 78 kilometers per h, and snowfall warnings remain in effect for several highways. As BC recovers, residents are reminded to stay vigilant and take necessary precautions. Please like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news.